Hey guys, this is Dr. Craig and I'm back in the video. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how to put a screen protector to your Mi Band 3. I have my Mi Band 3. First you need to remove it. I just removed from the strap. And I have the Mi Band 3 and I just ordered this screen protector from eBay and it arrived. And this is the, you get in a packet like this. And here is the screen protector. I got three screen protectors. It's like a pack. So I'll just see. This is the device. And you can see the heart rate sensor on this side. Behind. We'll just open it. Just tear it. And then inside we get some. We get three in everything. We get two. Oh no, we get three. We get three. One, two. Yes, we got this. And then what is this? Oh, it's a bit different. One over here. And that's a 3-pack. That's all good. Now I just remove this like this. And just keep that aside. And I will just take one now. Here, we just keep two away and take one. And so here. Now let's take the wet wipes first. It's neatly packed. Please peel off this mask after application. Okay, first we'll take the wet wipes and remove it, and then take on it and wipe it. Don't worry about the screen. It's actually wet, you can see that. You can see the screen, it's a bit wet. It's fully wet. Just nicely wipe the screen. I don't think that you can see, but it's wet. Yep, there's wet. And just wipe it nicely. Don't worry, your Mi Band 3 is a waterproof device, so then nicely wipe it. Then I'll take the dry wipes. Yep, and this is fully dried. And just wipe it so it gets dried. Oh my god, it's no problem. Just wipe it nicely. Okay, as you can see, it's done. A little bit of wiping. You can order this on eBay. You can just find it, or else just go to some phone shops, if you know that. Yeah, just wait until it gets off. Very blank screen. Just put the screen. And then okay, oh wait, it's fully wiped. You can see there's no marks or anything. I just turn it to the different view, so it's easy to put and show. I'll just turn it now. And guys, here's the zoomer view, and I'll just show you how we can fix this. I'll just take it out of the pack. It's so good. I'll just try to put the link if I can. It's so nicely, neatly packed. I think you should peel it. Okay, I think you have to. Okay, yeah. You have to remove it like this. Then I guess you have to, I don't know what you do now. I think, okay, you have to remove it just like that. Okay, and what do you do for that? Oh yeah, it just comes. Oh, it's nice. This is actually a hole, so that's good. It doesn't damages this or do anything. you can actually break it. We'll just paste it first. Sorry. Make it closer and pasting part is a bit difficult. You have to just paste it align. I'll just paste it and I'll be back. And guys, I have finished up putting the screen protector, and there's a slight bubble that you can see. Those bubbles will disappear within 2 days as mentioned. This is actually true. I have tried putting tempered glasses on phones and also it has disappeared within 1 day. Yeah, so this will disappear within 1 to 2 days. That's not a worry. I'll just type up the link in the description, and it's smooth. Even the curve, the screen works properly. The heart rate, as you can see, swiping works properly, notification, everything works properly. So that's it guys. Give us a thumbs up and make sure you subscribe, like and comment. Thank you.